I'm now solo parent and hardworking mom. Ladies and gentlemen, buckled up because today's episode is diving headfirst into one of the most chaotic, confusing, and downright explosive types of woman you'll ever encounter. The Tasmanian Devil Filipina. Yes, you heard that right. This is not your quiet, conservative, small town Pinay. Oh no, this is the type who walks into your life like a cute little kitten and transforms into a full-blown tornado without warning. Why call her the Tasmanian Devil Filipina? Well, think about the Looney Tunes character, that wild, spinning, snarling beast who destroys everything in its path, while somehow still being worldly lovable. That's here. At first glance, she's charming, soft spoken, maybe even a little shy. You think, wow, I hit the jackpot. But give it a few days, a week, maybe two. Suddenly, you're dealing with world wine, mood swing, volcanic jealousy, a temper that could level buildings, and just like the Tasmanian devil, she leaves a trail of destruction in her path. It could be over something as small as a like on your Facebook post from 2012. You smile at a waitress, she'll smile back then slap your burger off the table. One minute, she's calling you my love, my king, my forever. The next, she's typing in all caps on Messenger. You liar. You took to other girls. Black, unfriend. Then 2 hours later, I'm sorry. I just love you too much. This level of emotional unpredictability will make you feel like you're in a live action telenovela without a script and the plot twist. It never ends. The Tasmanian Devil Filipina isn't stupid, far from it. She's sharp, observant, manipulative, in ways that can impress a cheese master. She remembers everything. She'll quote your exact words from 3 months ago in an agreement. She knows your schedule better than you do. She might even have a burner Facebook to test your loyalty. She plays innocent, but she's always 3 steps ahead, especially if you try to lie or ghost her. You think you're slick? She already messaged your ex, your mom, and your coworkers to ask questions. When she's mad, expect loud voice notes, walls of texts, public call-outs, and sometimes dramatic breakdowns at 2 a.m. Think screaming on the street, breaking her own phone, crying in the rain like a movie scene. She might leave your house storming out with her slippers in one hand and your dignity in the other. Never think you will win the argument. No way. You are up against someone who feels deeply, reacts instantly, and has absolutely no chill. It's easy to call her crazy, but the truth comes from deep rooted insecurity, extreme loyalty, and overwhelming passion. She loves hard. She expects the same. And when she feels like she's not getting it, she lashes out. In a way, she's afraid of betrayal. That's why she's suspicious. That's why she's possessive. And that's why she'll blow up if she even thinks you're sleeping. You think she hates the drama, but she does not. She feeds off it. It's like oxygen to her. No fight. No proof you love her. She'll tease you, push you, and create explosion just to see how far you'll go for her. You heard her say, if you leave me, I will do this and that, and is followed by something dramatic. That's pure and kinetic Tasmanian devil energy. She is not low maintenance. She's not the quiet one in the corner. She's a walking soap opera. and you just got cast as her co-star. The six is great, but that's not enough. There's often one reason men stay with the Tasmanian Devil Filipina. She's wild in the bedroom, but ask yourself, is the booty worth the emotional trauma? The broken bones, the all-nighters fights, the constant suspension. You can't build peace with a landmine. You can't grow love where you're always afraid of the next blow up. You're not in a relationship, you're in survival mode. Why do men fall for her? It's simple. She's exciting, she's intense, she makes you feel wanted, needed, desired. However, eventually, that passion turns toxic, that jealousy turns violent, that excitement turns into exhaustion. If you are not careful, she will spin into your life like a tornado, wreak everything, including your sanity, and leave you standing in the rubble, wondering what the hell just happened. If you meet a Tasmanian Devil Filipina, run or be ready to just haul ass. Don't look back and don't hesitate or doubt your run. She is not for the weak-hearted. She is beautiful chaos, unpredictable fire, and emotional thunder all rolled into one 5-foot tall worldwide. If you think you can change here, you are already in too deep. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.